Question number 2. Which of the following is a valid solution to the quadratic equation 2x squared plus 5 equals 4x? So, my first step will be to bring the 4x over to the left-hand side. And to do that, I will just subtract 4x from both sides of the equation. 4x minus 4x is 0. So, just going to copy everything else down here. So we end up with 2x squared minus 4x plus 5 equals 0. Great. Now let me use the quadratic formula. So for ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, let's first identify a, b, and c. So a will be 2. B will be negative 4. Maybe I won't make these circles around the numbers. And c is just 5. Okay, and the quadratic formula is negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Okay, so let me make some parentheses here to put in the numbers. It's always nice to put the numbers inside the parentheses when we plug them in. And okay, so here we have negative b plus or minus b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Great, now we can start expanding things and simplifying everything. Negative negative makes a positive, so we have positive 4 plus or minus the square root of negative 4 squared. Now that makes it positive 16, because a negative number that is squared is just positive. 2 times 5 is 10. 10 times 4, 40. So we have minus 40 all over 2 times 2, 4. Okay, so then we have 4 plus or minus the square root of 16 minus 40, which is negative 24 all over 4. So now what do? We have a negative right here. We have negative 24. And the square root of a negative number just doesn't exist. Remember that this portion of the quadratic formula, which we call the discriminant, it needs to be 0 or positive for us to have either 1 or 2 answers. If it's negative, if the discriminant's negative, we have no solution. So the answer is going to be none of the above, because we actually have no real answers for this quadratic equation right here. That's it.